Hindi kami nag-uusap sa chat. Nagchat-chat lang yung magse-set ng date. Sumasama naman at madaldal siya. Trip ba ako nito? Medyo naguguluhan lang kasi ako kasi hindi talaga kami nag-uusap sa chat unlike sa past ko. Hindi naman kasi lahat ng tao masipag mag-chat, sigarilyo. Katulad ko na lang, nakakatamad kasi mag-chat. Mas gusto ko yung face-to-face interaction. And if I'm a betting man, I would say na ganyang klaseng tao din yung nililigawan mo. Guys, wag niyong i-base yung attraction ng isang tao through chat lang. It's supposed to be the complete opposite, to be honest. I-base niyo yung attraction nila kapag magkasama na kayo. For example, sa dates. Sabi mo dito, madaldal siya, and that is actually a good sign. It means na to some degree, she's comfortable talking to you. Ano ba mas pipiliin nyo? Yung madaldal sa chat pero nonchalant in person? Or the other way around? Kung ako ang tatanungin nyo, I would choose the latter. Why? Kasi I would know na kapag magkasama kami sa date, it would be a fun one. And it's really something to look forward to. Kaya mga sigarilyo, ito question ko sa inyo. Lagay nyo na lang yung sagot nyo sa comment section. Ano mas bet nyo? Mat-chat pero tahimik sa personal? O hindi siya mat-chat but is agreeing to go out on a date with you and madaldal siya in person? Lagay nyo na lang yung mga sagot nyo in the comment section. Kasi ako personally, mas bet ko talaga yung hindi ma-chat. Kasi, well, unang-una, hindi rin naman ako ma-chat. And secondly, kung hindi siya ma-chat, that would give me more time and focus on doing what I do in life. It would give me more focus on doing my purpose. After setting up a definite date with her, you're all set na. Pwede ka na mag-focus sa trabaho mo. Then just show up on your date on the weekend or whatever it happens to be. Di ba mas okay yung ganun? Well, personally for me, yun ang gusto ko. Kayo mga sigarilyo, anong mas gusto nyo? Lagay nyo lang yung sagot nyo sa comment section. Well, I hope nakatulong ako sa inyo and follow for more. And if you guys want to get my help personally, the quickest way is for you to book a one-on-one phone coaching session with me. You can do that by clicking the link in my bio if you're on TikTok. Pero kung nasa YouTube ka naman, the link is in the description box below. Peace.